day, everyone!
I am Janalupi Cordova.
And I am Mary Gracie Onyong. We are third-year students taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science at Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Katipunan Campus.
This presentation is a partial fulfillment of Research Teaching Science 1.
The researcher topic is all about a stock assessment of Manla or the Talasena Anomala in Barangay Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte.
This is the introduction or rationale of the study. Talasena anomala, or locally known as Manla, is a species of crustacean in the family Thalassinidae. Scorpion mud lobster that can be found in mangrove swamps of the Western Pacific Ocean, as well as the scientific name of Talasena anomala. In different places of the Philippines, this kind of species has its own name in Luzon region. It was known as Palata, Kulukoy, or Kulukoy, while in Visayas it was known as Oson, or Oson. Mindanaoans preferred to call it Manla or Manya, specifically in Dipolog City. Thalassinidae is now recognized as infraorder Gibbidae by D. Grave et al. 2009. The current classification of mud lobster is now as follows: order, suborder, infraorder, family, genus by Ngokho and descent Laurent. Recognized 7 species in the Indo-West Pacific region. There are Talasena anomala, Talasena gracilis, Talasena emery, Talasena espinirostris, Talasena espinosa, and Talasena squampenera. That was from Sakai and Turkey 2012. Now, the significance of this study is to know the abundance of Manla or Talasena anomala. Talasena anomala in the city of Dipolog, specifically in South Cavada, Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte. Let's move on to the conceptual framework of the study. In conceptual framework, the researcher used 2 variables, which are the independent and dependent variable. The dependent of the study is the seasonal events, which are the high tide and low tide, while the dependent variable is the current stock assessment of Manla or Talasena anomala. Research objectives of the study is to determine the stock assessment of Manla or Talasena anomala in South Curvada, Barangay Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte. The study sought to answer the following. First, describe the characteristics of the locally known Manla in Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte in terms of color, size, shape, and structure. Second objective is to determine the abundance of Manla or Talasena anomala in Barangay Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte in seasonal events in terms of high tide and low tide. And the hypothesis of this study is there a difference between the stocks of Manla or Talasena anomala in Barangay Galas, Dipolog City? Next, let's discuss about the scope and limitation of the study. So this study conducted in South Curvada, Galas, Dipolog City consists of 1 hectare of land which has creeks and katungan because it is where Manla or Talasena anomala commonly found. Various mounds are located in this area wherein it is explicated of Manla or Talasena anomala. Aside from it is near to the intertidal shore, which is some of the Manla or Talasena anomala can be found. This figure is the geographical presentation of South Curvada, Galas, Dipolog City, wherein the researcher conducted their study in this area because Manla or Talasena anomala can commonly found here. The last part of this presentation would be the methodology of the study, which includes the study sites, materials, and methods on how to determine the stock assessment of Manla or Talasena anomala in Barangay Galas, Dipolog City. So first, let's tackle about these study sites. Manla or Talasena anomala will be sampled at Barangay Galas, Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte. The Manla or Talasena anomala mounds were located inside or near to mangrove forests in the intertidal shore. Next is the material. The researcher used the pasgong or bamboo trap that is made from a bamboo to catch manla or Thalassana anomala. Its length is 1 foot long or more. So in this figure, you can see the bamboo trap or what we call pasgong to trap the manla or Thalassana anomala. This is the method. The researcher put bamboo trap or pasgong or itaan ng pasgong to the burrowing mounds of manla or Thalassana anomala and leave it overnight. The next day, going back to the area where the bamboo trap or pasgong sat and check if there is a catch. If a manla or Thalassana anomala enters and touches the small stick that holds the lock, it will close and trap the manla or Thalassana anomala. So these are the references of our study. Thank you for spending time and bearing with me. Keep safe and God bless. That would be all. Thank you.